Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn about perfect number. First of all, I want to give you some knowledge about perfect number. Let's we say the perfect number are those number whose divisor or factor, the sum of their factor is equal to number. Suppose I have 6 number, its factor is equal to 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, and when I also plus 8, it is equal. So I should know this fact, find the number whether it is a perfect number or not. First of all, we will input number is equal to, we will pass it to int input, enter the number, and let's close it. First of all, what we will do is we will find the that is factor of this number. For this I will say for I in range, we have to pass from 1 to number only, because we don't need the number we are passing less than this number. Now here, if number percentage I double is equal to 0, we should make here list. I will make this list as factors is equal to list. Now here I should append it factors dot append, I should append I. Now for I have find this factor. For now I have to find their sum for I in range. I will find length, I will count the number, how many factor are there, factor, then I will make sum is equal to sum plus int part of factor, that is I. Now we have to declare this sum also here, sum is equal to 0. Now we have to print if sum double is equal to number, then we have to say print number is prime. This is not prime, perfect. Now else print is not perfect. Let's run and see it. If we got it 10, it is not a perfect number, and we will say 6 is a perfect number. I have already told you that yes, number is a perfect. Another number is 28, we can test it also, and this should be perfect. Yes, this is a perfect. Now I want to list all the number of perfect number between some list. For that I will make another variable j in low range. Here I will pass from 1 to number, and let's pass all this, because sum should be 0 for when this inner loop is executed. This is one loop, this is one loop, and this is also another loop. This is not the inner loop of this is the exterior loop, and this both and these are all inner part of this loop. And here we have to pass simply j, and here also j, and let's make there is one thing here. This is also j. We did not eat else part because we are not doing anything here. I'll say what is this for prf is cts perfects that append. I will append here j. Now I will make the perfect perf is cts perfect is equal to list, and here per FECTS perfect. I think this is the spelling we have made here. Let's save it. And another thing, this when this append factor, the factor list will append all the number, but we don't need this. It should be append for a specific number. Suppose I have passed here 1, it should append for 1. For 1 it will be 0, but for 2 it will be 1, it should append only 1. For 3 also 1. 4 it should append 1 to 1, 2 only. If we don't delete that previous item, it will make 1 1 1 2, and it will make again 1 and again something like this, but I don't, or we don't really don't want that factor. We have to delete all. For deleting all these facts, this portion means all part, this deletion of that element, this is the name of what list, what we are deleting. Now I will simply print this perfect list, and we will see that. I will enter 100. There are only 2 number we have get. They are the list of the perfect number. Let's try again and run up to 1000. We may get more number. Oh sorry, for this I have again enter 100. I'll enter 1000 here. Yes, only 3 number are there between 1000, and I think that when we add on 0 here with 1, then it will give us every time 1 will be 1 perfect number will be added, because when we take up to 10 it will be 6, up to 100 it will be 6 and 28 and 1496. And let's try more here. I will make 10,000 here. I think this is 10,000. It is calculating here. It will take some time because 10,000 is not a small number. Let's we will see the result here. It is calculating for 10,000. It will take more time because it is looping for each and every number up to 10,000. Yes, we have got it. Yes, I have same doubt here. I have get the number here. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you.